The importance of the hull in a general cargo ship. The hull of a general cargo ship is crucial to buoyancy, stability, and efficiency. A good design minimizes drag, reduces fuel consumption, and maximizes cargo capacity. It also ensures structural safety and adaptability to different types of cargo and sea conditions. The hull is essential for the vessel operability and probability, ensuring efficient and safety shipping. In this video, we will focus especially on the hull shape and compare the V and U shapes. V shape in general cargo vessels. These are less common due to cargo capacity limitations, but some small, fast vessel carrying viable or perishable cargo may use to shape to take advantage of the higher speed. U shape in general cargo ships. They dominate the general cargo market because of their ability to carry large volumes of goods safely and efficiently. Examples include the general cargo, container ships, and multipurpose vessels. Types of helmet shapes. V shapes. The bow of the hull is narrow and gradually widens towards the base, forming a V in cross section. Reduce resistance. The tapered bow allows the vessels to cut through the water, minimizing hydrodynamic resistance. Speed. This shape is ideal for vessels requiring high speeds, such as ferries and certain military vessels. Wave handling. Its ability to break waves improves seaworthiness in rough seas, providing smoother and safer navigation. Stability. It has less lateral stability, which can be problematic during loading and unloading operation in port. At cargo capacity, the V shapes limit the interior space at the bottom of the vessel, reducing payload capacity. This can be a significant disadvantage for general cargo vessels that need to maximize cargo volume. U shapes. The hull has a flat bottom and a vertical sidewall forming U shapes in the cross sections. This design is a common on cargo vessels that prioritize stability and cargo capacity. Stability. Greater lateral stability is crucial for safe loading and unloading operation, especially in harbor and calm sea conditions. Cargo capacity. The wider and deeper designs allow more interior space for cargo, which is essential for general cargo vessels carrying bulk cargo or containers. Water resistance. The largest surface area in contact with water increases hydrodynamic resistance, which can increase fuel consumption. Ongoing performance. Lower waves breaking capacity can make navigation more difficult in raw seas, affecting the comfort and safety of the vessels.
For the internal structure of the general cargo, we have the multiple and flexible holds that are used to keep the cargo. For example, you can have loose goods, containers, machinery, or even bulk cargo. They are very important because you can add or remove partitions or bulkheads to have smaller spaces and have very many options depending on which cargo you are going to take from one port to another. Also, internal structures to give more strength to the ship are the frames and the bulkheads, also as extensions for reinforcement and other structures for to give more strength. And now moving to the next point, we have the hatches on the deck and hatch covers. This type of ship, the general cargo, is often has a lot of hatches to facilitate the load and unload of the cargo from the holds. It can have different types, such as the pontoon type, roll-on roll-off type, and other specific depending on the design of the ship. Also, they are equipped with watertight protection, so the cargo is kept dry from the seawater, rain, or any storm that happens through the travel of the vessel through the sea. And the deck of the general cargo is often flat, so it's possible to have some more cargo on top of the hatch to um, expand its capacity of load cargo.
Cargo handling equipment within the Ukrainian Arena general cargo ships are often equipped with the Ukrainian cargo handling system, allowing them to operate port with limited infrastructure. They contract with many special vessels that are really heavy on port infrastructure. Versatile fastening system equipped with versatile fastening and stow system that cargo allow different styles of cargo to be secured during transport. Keel and balance keel. Standard keel, the generally have a standard keel to improve disorder and structure stability. These are different from hull with a special keel designed for a special of bulk cargo. Balance keel, they often include balance keel to improve lateral stability and reduce rolling, something like common on their vessels such as container ship the already more uniform low loading for stability. They seem to withstand they were a layer of various cargo handling locales in reforming saying especially reforming in the area in the whole they are subject to dynamic load or impact during loading and loading.
And now, the first material in the list, we got steel. There are two types that I'm gonna mention in this list: mild steel and high tensile steel. Its primary use is for the hull of the ship, the deck, the bulkheads, and other structural components. Its advantages: it provides high strength, durability, and the ability to be welded and fabricated into complex shapes. The second material that we got in this list is aluminum. It is often used in the superstructure and in some cases for the hull of smaller vessels. Its advantages is that it is lightweight, corrosion resistant, non-magnetic, which is beneficial to reducing the overall ship weight and improving fuel efficiency. The third material in this list is stainless steel. Its primary use is for specific components that are exposed to harsh conditions such as the piping system, the storage tanks, and some parts of the machinery. Its advantages is its high resistance to corrosion, the ability to withstand high temperatures and high pressures.
Here are five comparisons between general cargo ships and other types of ships. In the 4 points, we're going to talk about the hull shape and block coefficient. Here, we're going to talk about the general cargo vessel in the first point. They have a hull shape intermediate between the V and U hulls and a moderate block coefficient, balancing load capacity and aerodynamic efficiency. The bull carriers, they usually have U-shaped hulls with a high block coefficient to maximize loading capacity, sacrificing some aerodynamic efficiency. The container ships, they have a V-shaped hulls and a low block coefficient to improve speed and aerodynamic efficiency. In the second point, we're going to talk about the internal structure and flexibility. Here, we're going to talk about first in the general cargo ships. They have a multiple and configurable hulls with reinforcement and removable separators adapting to different types of cargo. The oil tankers, they have a specific tanks to do not require as much internal flexibility since they transport liquid uniformly. The roll vessel and roll out and roll off, they have a open and internal ramps designed to transport vehicles and wheeled machinery. These are special things of this type, of vessel. And the third point, we're going to talk about the deck and hatches. The general cargo ships equipped with large hatches as a flat, spacious deck to facilitate the loading and unloading of various merchandises. In the container ships, they have a hatches designed specifically for standard containers with fixed structures to secure these containers. The bulk ships, they have large and fewer hatches, optimized for the loading and unloading of bulk materials. In the fourth point, we're going to talk about the cargo handling equipment. The general cargo ships, they are equipped with their own cranes and versatile fastening systems, allowing them to operate in ports with limited infrastructure. The container ships, they depend on cranes and specialized port equipment for the handling of containers, which requires a developed port infrastructure. The bulk vessels, they may have specific unloading equipment such as convoy belts of large capacity cranes to handle bulk materials. And in the last one, that 5 point, the keels and stability. The general cargo ships, they generally have a standard keel and balanced keels to improve lateral stability. The passenger ships may have active stabilizers, such as stabilizing fins, to minimize rolling and improve passenger comfort. 2. Container ships, relying on uniform load distribution and a low center of gravity for stability, without the need for additional balances skills. That is the 5 more important things when we go or we can compare the cargo ships to other ships, other type of fish. For example, the passenger, bulk cargo, passenger, oil tankers, and more. Thank you.